Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Kiwi browser in your smartphone. So this is really short and easy tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So we have to go Google Play Store. If you are an Android user, then go to Google Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, then go to App Store. Then search here the browser name Kiwi browser, and you can see this is really amazing browser. Kiwi browser, fast and quiet. 4.3 ratings out of 5 and 90k reviews, and 10 million people already download this app. So here you'll get all feature, like you'll get all facilities here, like extension, translation, night mode, tab switches, or you can use incognito mode, and it's really easy. And you can see the size of the 64 MB. Simply click on install, and it takes few times to install in your smartphone. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.